Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you want to start a YouTube channel? Well done, wonderful. Now you might hear some people saying it's too late to start. Trust me, it's not. It's never too late. It just depends on the value you have and what you have to bring onto the YouTube platform. All right, let's go. Starting a YouTube channel is not as easy as you might think. Some people might tell you it's piece of cake. It's not, trust me. There's a lot of work involved. So you have to be ready. First of all, ask yourself, am I ready for this? Am I ready to be consistent, to always make videos, make content, upload them every time that I choose to, every day of the week? If you're not ready for that, trust me, don't bother. You do not need a camera, trust me. What you need is your mobile phone. You might have had many people say this, but you don't believe it. Trust me, it's true, okay? Your mobile phone is literally what you need. I started with this, okay? I started with my mobile phone. For 3 years, I was just using my mobile phone to make videos. Most times, some people make mistakes. Now, mistakes to avoid, basically, never ever film this way. This is portrait mode, okay, vertical. Never ever film in vertical mode because your video will just be a straight line in the middle and the other sides will be black. You don't want that. You want to be filming this way, horizontally, okay? That's how you want to be filming, so that your video will be full on the screen, so that people will want to click on your video and they'll want to keep watching your video. Also, when you're filming on your mobile phone, you want to be filming with the back camera, okay? Use the back camera. Never ever, for any reason, use the front camera, okay? There's no point. The front camera is not as clear as the back camera. So make sure to wipe your lenses, okay, before you start. Most people forget this part. They forget to wipe their lens and they just start filming and it will always be blurry. When it comes to lighting, some people might say, I don't have a light, what can I do? It won't work out. It will work out. All you need is a window. Behind me, you can see I have a window, which I'm not using now because I have lights and because the light from that window is not as bright. There's a building behind and it's blocking the light. But if you have a window that gives you natural lighting, trust me, it's the best. Just use it. All you have to do is make sure to face the window. Open the curtain, open the blinds, face the window so that you can have as much light as possible. Put your phone, you can use a cardboard, a shoebox or anything. If you have a tripod, better. Put it on the windowsill, face it and make your video. It's as simple as that. If you're scared of not being sure if your video is recording or not, then you might have to use the front camera. But if you have a laptop, or a TV, some TVs can do this. You can stream, or it's called share. You can cast your phone to your laptop or your TV. That way you can see yourself from the TV or the laptop. That will be your viewfinder or your monitor. Now, if you don't have a window or you're not able to do that, then try to film in daytime when there's light. That will mean you using the daylight. But if this is not possible, you can also think about a lantern, for example. If you have a lamp that has LED white light, you can use this, put it in front of you and move a bit backwards and use it. Try not to use the yellow light because your face will be yellow. There's no point, okay? It won't work. And you want people to click on your video and keep watching. If they click off, YouTube will not be happy with that. YouTube will not keep suggesting your video to other viewers. So you need people to come and stay, okay? This one might sound like, duh, this is obvious. Try to be presentable. When you're coming to make your video, don't just wake up and like, I want to make a video. You just pop up on the camera without combing your hair, without brushing your hair, putting a little bit of makeup if you need to. Just look decent. Wear the correct outfit. Sometimes you might want your outfit to match with your surrounding, or you might want it to be a certain kind of vibe on all of your videos. So make sure to be certain of this. Make sure to choose this based on how you want it. Another thing I want to mention is, don't just wake up and decide to make a video. Make sure you plan it out. Have a topic in mind. When you have a topic, have a structure. How do you want to start? How do you want to end? What do you want to say in the middle? so that your sentences or your video will have a structure. People won't just watch and be like, so what was the point of that? Why did I click on this video? When they watch, they actually understand, I get what this person is saying, I understand it. And they want to keep watching, they want to come back because they did not waste their time. The next point is your personality. If in reality you're quiet and shy, it might take you some time to get used to the camera. But what people want to see is your personality. Now, you might be talking about how to start a YouTube channel and someone else might be talking about it. Why should I watch yours? It's because I like you, I like your personality, I like the way you say things. So if you want people to be attracted to your channel and to you, you need to show your personality, let it shine through. If you like making jokes, if you like laughing, if you like playing music, if you like doing silly things or telling jokes, do it. Be yourself, because this will attract people to keep coming back. This is what will set you apart from someone else. Copying. Now, this point is very important. Most times we want to watch people we want to be like, and we want to make our channel to be like theirs. You can do this, it's fine. Just don't overdo it. Don't copy the person's personality. Don't copy everything the person has discussed on their page. Don't copy everything about the person. That's just the bottom line. Be yourself, be you, be original, be unique. So that when people watch your video, they will know, oh, this is Oni, this is her, this is how she is. Not, I see someone else here. I'm seeing Jackie Aina, for example. Oh, I'm seeing Kelechi, for example. I'm seeing Toby, for example, okay? They want to be seeing you, because if they can watch the real person that you're copying, why should they keep watching you? Why not go to that person's page? Be you. That's just the bottom line. When it comes to uploading videos, your channel is like a normal TV channel, right? You want to know what time your favorite channel is going to be producing series. You want to know when they're uploading. In the same way, your viewers want to know the exact days you'll be uploading so that they'll come to watch. And you also want this so that anytime you upload, you're sure they'll watch. So if you choose, for example, to upload every Wednesday, stick to it. If you want to upload 2 times a week, stick to it, okay? Always make sure to upload so that your viewers will know that by this day, by this time, this person will upload. You don't have to choose a time, but a day is important, okay? Still talking about consistency, it's important to upload at least once a week. Don't do today, next week you won't upload. No, try to stick to it. If you're uploading 2 times a week, even better. 3 times a week, no problem. Just don't overdo it. Don't do 5 times a week, 7 times a week, because it might be difficult. But if you think you're up to it, no problem. But make sure to stick to it. There's something called niches, okay? A niche is basically a particular topic that you wish to be involved in. For example, beauty. If you want to be based on beauty, then make sure your channel is based on beauty. Don't wake up the next morning and start talking about food, for example, or exercise, okay? Make sure you're talking about makeup or hair, because that's all part of beauty. But if you don't want to stick to this, because sometimes it has its disadvantages, you might not have enough viewers. If you want to touch your hands, dip your hands in different things until you're sure where you stand, you can try to do that. For example, you might make videos about beauty, make videos about hair, make videos about lifestyle, and about baby things if you have a baby. That way you might be able to put your hand in different things and find out where your real audience are. So if most of your videos about babies and lifestyle are getting more views, then you might want to discard the other niches and focus on these ones, because that's what's bringing you views. So there are 2 ways to go about it. There are many more points to make, but this video should not be too long. So about that also, it's always nice to go straight to the point when you start a video. Don't just start saying different things or talking out of point, because people will click. The first 10 or 5 seconds of your video is what decides if people will keep watching or if they'll click off. If they click off, YouTube will notice. If they keep watching, YouTube will notice. So go straight to the point and make sure your video is not too long, because only people that are your die-hard fans will keep watching. Others will just click off and probably unsubscribe, and you don't want that. When you're on your channel, when you've started your channel, please, please, please ignore the numbers. Don't focus on the number of subscribers, the number of views, your analytics, because this will keep your spirit down. It's possible, or it might not bother you, but maybe once a week you can look and know what to do next. That's it. But don't just focus on it. It's just like when you're watching your weight and you keep looking at the scale, you feel demoralized when actually you're losing weight. So focus on your goals, on your plan, and keep going. Keep putting out content. Make sure they are of top quality, because people will click off if it's nonsense quality, right? So make sure it's top notch. Keep putting it out. Keep learning things about YouTube, and you will succeed. Don't be impatient, because it will not happen overnight. I've been on YouTube 3 years. Would you know that? Would you believe that? Some people have been on YouTube 1 month and they have 3,000 subscribers, 30,000 subscribers. But know this, it's not about the subscribers, it's about the views, okay? There's a lot of things to say, I can't finish them in this video, but YouTube pays you not just by views, but by the views of the adverts on your video when you get monetized. That's a video for another time. But I wanted to help you guys to get on the train of YouTube if you're interested, and for you to know if it's for you or not, because it's literally not easy. It's not easy to come up with topics, it's not easy to edit and all that. Now, talking about editing, if you're thinking of what to use to edit your videos, I would suggest Filmora, Wondershare Filmora, because it's the easiest, though you have to pay. Also, I could suggest iMovie if you have a Mac, because it's free and it comes with a laptop. But if you don't have a laptop or you're editing on your mobile phone, then I would suggest InShot. This one is really good, it's really nice, and it's straightforward, and the free version has almost everything you might need. Okay, I'll try to put a list of any more that I know up here for you to get to read or watch or try out and see if it's for you. But remember to do your research. Don't be lazy, because YouTube is not just, an overnight thing. You have to do the work. Sometimes you do the work and nothing is coming out from it, but keep going. Don't give up and you will succeed. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it helped you, please leave a like and share. Leave a comment and tell me any fears you have about starting your channel, and I will guide you, hopefully. Okay, bye.